Hello my beautiful ladies, assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, hi, my name is Tia. I'm a makeup artist from Karachi. Now you guys, I always tell you that I'm from Karachi, Pakistan. Why does that matter? That matters because whenever you're doing your makeup, no matter what type of makeup you're doing, no matter where you are going, you have to keep in mind the climate that you're in. If you live in a very hot and humid climate like I do, you cannot just go around wearing lots and lots of creamy dewy products, because that means at the end of the day, well, not even towards the end of the day, like after 2 or 3 hours, you are going to turn into a ball of sweat and your makeup is just going to melt off. So we don't want that, right? So in this tutorial I'm going to show you this look, which is just perfect for a very hot and humid climate like we have in Karachi. So if you live in a very cold region where it is mostly dry and cold, do not try this look. It will not suit you at all. And on top of that, if you have dry skin, it is going to make you look like a desert. It is going to make you look like a sandy beach, and we don't want that. We love beaches, we love deserts, we just don't want our skin to look like that. If you do live in a very hot and humid climate like me, and you want your makeup to be sweat proof, humidity proof, heat proof, transfer proof, waterproof, then this video is right for you. And you guys, despite this look being so sweat proof, humidity proof, you might think, oh my god, this is going to be a very heavy powder fest. No, not at all. This is actually super lightweight. Like, even when I touch my face, I cannot feel makeup at all. It looks so natural. It also feels super lightweight. Like, I do not feel anything on my face right now. All the products that I have used for this look are amazing. And you guys, for this look, the instructions that you have to follow will be given by voiceover Tia, because this Tia just didn't want to talk and do makeup. I am not very well. My nose is all stuffy, my throat hurts, so let's just get right into it. So today we are starting with the face, and first step is going to be color correcting. If you have dark circles, try color correcting, you guys. You will never go back, because this is just going to make your dark circles disappear and not give you that ashy look that concealer alone can give you sometimes. Now I'm going to apply foundation. You can totally skip this step if you don't have problematic skin, but my skin is just behaving in the worst way possible nowadays. So I'm going to apply a very thin, lightweight foundation all over my face. This foundation feels like a serum. It does not feel like a foundation at all. It is actually very lightweight. It does not give a ton of coverage. It just, balances out the skin. Next, I'm going to slightly brighten up my face. I am not using a concealer that is too much lighter than my skin. This concealer is probably half a shade lighter than my skin, so it is just going to be very subtle, and it is also going to help, conceal my dark circles further. Once the concealer is all blended out, I'm going to set my face with powder. It is very important that you set your whole face with powder if you want your makeup to last all day long. Now I'm going to contour my face. You can totally skip this step, you guys, but I love contour. I'm obsessed with contouring, so I had to show this to you guys. You can just skip contour and apply some bronzer if you don't want to contour your face, but I would recommend that you add a little bit of bronzer, because that really just adds depth and dimension to your face. For eye makeup, I'm just going to apply the contour / bronzer shades in my crease to give my eyes some dimension. You do not have to be super elaborate with this eye look. It is just very simple and very easy, and you do not even need an eyeshadow palette for this. Next, I'm going to apply this very beige shade to blend out the crease color and smoke it out slightly. You can totally use your face powder for this. Next, I'm going to mix this yellow shade and the beige shade together and apply it under my eyes to brighten my face up a little bit. Now I'm just going to line my eyes with this dark brown eye pencil. You guys, this pencil is amazing. It does not smudge, fade or bleed in my eyes. It stays put all day long. It is amazing. You can totally use black hair, but I wanted a softer look, so I'm going with brown. Now I'm just smudging out the liner in my lower lash line, and I'm also going to draw a very slight thing, kind of invisible wing, just to give my eyes a little bit of lift. And now we are going with mascaras. I always use 2 mascaras. You guys, you will see my lashes transform from nothing to gorgeous fluttery lashes with the combination of these 2 mascaras. They are both amazing. Highly recommended. Now you guys, this step is going to seem a little bit strange to you because I'm going to use this eyeliner for my brows. Yes, this eyeliner is just not dark enough to be a good eyeliner in my opinion. It actually matches the color of my brows kind of perfectly, so I'm using it as a brow pen. Eyebrow pens are all the rage nowadays, but you absolutely do not need to go out and get an eyebrow pen for this look. You can just use any of your favorite eyebrow products that you already have. Now I'm going to highlight my face. I'm using a very subtle highlighter today, as this is supposed to be a very natural look. I'm going to use the same highlighter to brighten up my inner corners and my brow bone area too. Next, I'm going to take this very sparkly, very mauvey blush shade and just apply it on my cheeks, on my nose, on my chin and a little bit on my forehead. I love a cool tone blush. If you prefer warm tone blushes, go for that. I have used all powder products on my face today because powders work beautifully with hot and humid weather. It is very important that you set your face with setting spray if you have used all powder products. So this is how I like to do it. I like to spray my setting spray on a sponge and just dab it all over my face. And you have to be very gentle with this, and trust me, this is not going to mess up the makeup that you are wearing underneath. This step is just going to lock everything in its place, and then your makeup is not going to move. Now I'm going to take this very rosy lip pencil and just line my lips. I am not overlining my lips at all today. Since my lips are slightly uneven, I like to make this weird face and then line my lips to make sure that I am making them symmetrical. And now I'm just going to apply this liquid lipstick all over my lips in this very soft peachy nude shade. I love peachy nude shades, you guys. I love them so much. And that's all. We are done. So these close-ups are a little too intense, but I really wanted to show you guys that there is absolutely no texture enhancement despite all the powder products that I used. Alright guys, so that was the complete tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. I hope you learned something from it. If you did, please do give this video a thumbs up because that really helps me a lot. And if you want to see more from me, please consider subscribing to my channel because I am going to be uploading a lot more. And I really like to know what you guys want to see from me, so leave your thoughts, comments, suggestions down in the comment section. I will make sure to reply to everybody. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Hello my beautiful ladies, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, hi, my name is Tia. I'm a makeup artist from Karachi, and it feels so weird to laugh when you're alone. It's like Are you crazy? To make my makeup sweat proof, otherwise I am just going to melt off. Well, not me but my face, not my face but my makeup. You know what I mean. Why am I doing this head bobbing thing?